We are going to ride the boat. Beach. What's in your bag, Gen Z edition? Go! Hi! We're heading to the beach. So we are going to ride the boat. There, boat. Let's go to the boat. Go, Nika.
Diba upat mong dali? Lang.
We are riding the boat. Titanic. Where are we heading?
Paradise.
Paradise. Hello, babe. Nika.
Sky, Sky. Are you riding on the boat?
Yay!
My best days, I'm not afraid. Maddie's stolen what's new.
Good morning.
I can hear
Beach.
you say, I'll sit right back at you. You can enjoy it. You can enjoy it. Go to the beach.
So we're here at Paradise, our OG beach in Samal. With my beautiful aunt. Karon na pag nandito. Yes, karon na naraan to cashier. With my beautiful cousin.
Look at that shot.
Kids, what are you doing, Sky? What's that? Hi, Kuya.
Wanna be around here. Why don't
Ulat raman sila.
we just leave?
Naka-life vest na.
You can enjoy it. You can enjoy it. Go to the beach,
A boy with no sleep.
jump in the water. It all looks so crystal clear. Look at that shot.
We are heading to the game room with my aunt Emmy. So there's dart. They are playing dart. And then there's billiards. Hi, Kuya. I'm with my pamangkin Mushu. So let's do a What's in Your Bag Gen Z edition. So, okay, go!
First, I have my eyeshadow palette and it has a mirror.
Wow!
Then, my tie because it's very,
Hot! Yes.
and my power bank because this can save your lives. If you are dying, you need power bank.
Dying.
And sunscreen powder, eyeliner and mascara.
Wow.
I have 2 lip tints here.
Yan, o diba? So, earphones niya wired.
Sublime.
Comb. Handy. Clamp.
I have my makeup brush inside.
Oh, so what's your favorite makeup brush?
The big one.
The big
for
one.
the powder. This one.
Oh, yan. Favorite brush. So cute. So, ganun niya siya na character. Yan.
A blush and a curler.
Curler. Mas complete pa kaysa sa akin, Bao.
And I have Vicks.
Vicks Vapor. Ah, Vicks.
And here we have alcohol.
Spray. Yan. Strawberry. So, that's it. So, this is Gen Z's What's in Her Bag. Okay. Thanks, Mush. Yan. Ay, isa.
And then flour.
You need more rice. Diri ang kinila.
Ibang ginasimado.
What is this? Isang gel. Mga tapa na shoulder lang kada. Napo is. Say you want rice? Napo.
Calamares. Where's the dip?
Clean your mouth. Clean your mouth. Your head.
So Sky is already done eating. And that's my sister. Broccoli para balanced diet. We're heading to the playground and look at the animals. So let's go. Check it out. Check it out. Look at the birds. Can you see? They're all, wow, there. How to pronounce Budgerigar. Hi. Chattering lorry. That one. The red one. Oh, that's a heron. Philippine deer. That's a deer, Sky. So we're done with our aviary. So we're going to the playground. Buddy is excited. Playground. That's for the kids here.
Time to raise a toast. I won't wish from the bottom of my heart.
Wait for me. The slide is here. Hi. Go. Wow. Beautiful beach, right? Mais con yellow. Strawberry shake lang. I thought strawberry is your favorite. Corn. So update, we're done eating. It's 11:40 in the morning. I'm done with my mais con hielo. Kuya is playing with the sand. And the baby is sleeping with his tita. Yan. And where is Nika? There. I think he's already sleeping. Nika buo.